you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have October's Goddess Provisions. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So October's Goddess Provisions just arrived. Let's go ahead and see what we're going to have in this month. I can't remember last month. I think I kind of actually liked it. I believe so. I can't really remember. When you first open it up, that's what it looks like. The card is at the very, very bottom. Okay, so getting the card from the bottom, that's what it says right there. Now, when you open it up, this side will go over the products that are inside with the prices. And normally this side would go over the monthly mantra. So I don't know if now that verbiage is the monthly mantra. I'm not quite sure. And does this one have the digital downloaded bonus for this month? No, it does not. So last month was the first time I have not seen that digital downloaded bonus since I started with Goddess Provisions years and years ago. And this is the second box back to back without it. So let's just see what we have going on here. So the first thing that I am seeing is the crystal for the month is down in here. Let me remove this plastic. It's really pretty. It's kind of like a gray with like a little bit of white, and it looks like a slight bit of pink in there. It says that it's a pink Botswana. This magical stone helps shield your aura while opening your crown chakra so you can zoom out for a big picture perspective where situations and next steps become clear. And it is a $4 value. It's pretty. I like the colors in that crystal. So next we have is a bar of soap. It says Psychic Reader, Crystal Bar Soap, and Goddess Provisions. So it's a collab between the two, and it looks like a little crystal cut, and it looks like there's actually a crystal down inside of it as well. Protect your psychic sensitivity. Use this soap to wash away negativity and purify your energy field so your sixth sense can shine through. Just like the black obsidian crystal that hides behind this soap bar. So that's what's inside. That's cool. If this really worked to like wash off negativity, I would be scrubbing my body like head to toe with it every day. Holy moly. This is valued for $8 and it's at Crystal Bar Soap. But you do see the crystal right there inside. And there's that. That's very pretty. So up next we have is a card deck that's just wrapped in plastic. So one thing I'm just going to say just by looking at it, I'm bummed out that it's not in its own box. All of my tarot decks, all my oracle cards, all of mine are in their own nice little box. And these, once you open them, they're just going to be loose. So I'm just saying I'm a little disappointed that it's not in a box of its own. This says the modern deck holds ancient wisdom from the major and minor arcana, along with insights from numerology, astrology, and the 4 elements. Consult the cards and let your intuition be your guide. Coupon code is Goddess for 30% off plus free shipping in the US at QUARTOKNOWS.com. And it says it's a $17 value. Next we have in this little box, it says Moon Wisdom Keychain, and it's by Goddess Provisions. And let's see what's inside of here. What kind of keychain we got. So it's like one of those magic 8 balls. Is this a child's box? I don't know, like that just looks very kiddish to me. It's a plastic little thing. It does have one little picture of a moon right there. But it feels just very cheap. And I honestly wouldn't want this on my keychain because it would probably bust open, being honest. Wait and see. It's kind of hard to tell because when you go to do it upright, it doesn't show it every time. I'll have to show you from a different view so you can see it up because as soon as you turn it, it turns. But I just feel that's kiddish. Like, it just looks like a kid thing. Moon Wisdom Keychain. When the future looks hazy, connect to your inner light and peer into the window of its mini oracle for answers. Truths you know deep within will reflect back to you. Valued for $11. I'm thrown off by that product. And then down inside of here, It's from the coal miner's daughter, and it's anointing oil and prosperity. So that's what it looks like right there. This is valued for $18. During your divination rituals, anoint your third eye, spell candles, and sacred objects with this magical oil. Tune in and listen for spirits to reveal how abundance is flowing your way. Coupon code is Moon Magic to save 30% off at thecoalminersdaughter.com. And then the last item is this bag right here. It says crystal infused, and it has that design on the front of it. This says Seed of Creation Psychic Intentions Tarot Pouch. So I guess maybe you're supposed to put this no box card deck inside this pouch. See, I still wouldn't do that because I like to look at mine that says exactly what it is, so I know what it is. It's not just hidden in a bag. So again, I'm not still going to open this because I don't want to mess with that one. But there's this right here. It says protect, cleanse, and charge your tarot cards by keeping them in a organic cotton pouch that's screen printed with crystal infused selenite ink. Feel the magic in the palm of your hand. Coupon code LOVEVIBES will save 33% off at seedofcreation.com. And this bag is valued for $22. So you have a bag, you can put your tarot cards in there, you can put crystals in there, you can put whatever you would like in there. But you do have this bag, which is crystal infused. And there is what's on the front of it. Again, right there. So there's no digital downloaded bonus this time. The total retail value for these items will be right here. And again, just me being honest, this I feel should have came in its own box if they put this bag in there or not, because I like to see what is on the outside. And I feel this is just a little cheap. So the only thing that I'm really excited about this month, I guess, is the crystal, and that's only $4. That is everything that came in the October box. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. You might have better feelings about it than I do. Do you feel the same way, that you think this is like a little cheapy kid type thing? I just don't feel that it should be in this box because they've done so much better. And then they throw me blindsided when they do stuff like this. So there's that. So that is everything that I have for this particular box. If you want a little bit more about Goddess Provisions, you will get 5 to 7 full-size products per box with a value of typically between $80 to $100 of Goddess goodies. There's free shipping to the United States. They do ship worldwide. Canadian is $15 and international is $25. This box is $33 per month, but you can get it as low as $27.75 if you go with a 12-month prepaid plan. And everything inside is always vegan and cruelty-free. So there you go. That is everything. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.